Kasi
sa
parang
Philippines.
hanggang ngayon nagdedebate pa tayo kung nasa crisis tayo o hindi tayo sa crisis. Para sa amin dito sa Senado nasa crisis na tayo. At kung kahit natitignan natin meron tayong stock of 53 days sa gasoline at 46 days sa diesel, ang problema hindi natin alam kung meron pa tayong dadating na stock after those days. And that alone for me is a crisis. Kung uncertain ang supply, kahit na meron tayong stock on land, pero hindi natin alam kung may dadating, para sa akin, crisis na yon. So, ang importante ngayon ay marinig namin sa inyong lahat yung inyong mga contingency plans and help us craft a national contingency plan. Yun ang kailangan namin dahil at the end of the day, sabi nga ni Senator Risa, kung kakailanganin ng supplemental budget, manggagaling rin yan sa Kongreso. Manggagaling rin dito yan. At kailangan namin malaman kung ano bang pupuntahan ng supplemental budget or additional budget. No, because we cannot just approve a supplemental budget or any other allocation of resources kung hindi namin alam kung ano yung contingency plans. No, that's why actually the committee took the initiative to give you 5 scenarios para mabuo yun. Dahil nakita namin iba-ibang agency, iba-iba yung scenarios. So but we need a cohesive, unified, coordinated national contingency plan. Yun ang kailangan nun namin. At nakakagulat lang, after almost 3 weeks na tayo, almost 24, 25 days, 25 days, wala pa tayong national contingency plan. No? Nakakagulat lang dahil, and this morning, sabi nga ni Senator Kiko, meron ng another facility na binomba sa Iran. It seems to me that every hour, every minute, nagpapalit yung situation in the Middle East. More so, we have to come up with a contingency plan if this gets prolonged. No? So, yan ang requirement namin sa ating mga agencies to submit also to the committee your contingency plan, but better yet, if DepDev or DSWD can consolidate this into one national contingency plan, that will be the best so that when the time comes that we need to allocate resources, we'll be guided accordingly.